Welcome to my channel latest tech info. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe it and do hit the bell icon for regular updates.
A few days back Xiaomi launched Note 8 and Note 8 Pro in India, and with this launch, Xiaomi also introduced new GEN MIUI aka MIUI 11. This new MIUI 11 will give users better new experience than before. This new update of MIUI will start rolling out in devices from 22nd October. This update is not just for the new devices, it is also for the old devices. Here is the list of the devices which will get MIUI update. Redmi K20, Poco F1, Redmi Y3, Redmi Note 7 Pro, Redmi Note 7, Redmi Note 7s, Redmi 7. Here is the list of Redmi devices which will get the update in the first phase, between 22 October 31 October. Redmi 6, Redmi 6A, Redmi 6 Pro, Redmi K20 Pro, Redmi Note 5 Pro, Redmi Note 5, Redmi 5A, Redmi 5, Redmi Y1, Redmi Y1 Lite, Redmi Y2, Redmi Note 4, Redmi 4, Mi Mix 2, Mi Max 2. Here is the list of Redmi devices which will get the update in the second phase, between 4 November-12 November. Redmi Note 8, Redmi Note 6, Redmi 7A, Redmi 8A, Redmi 8. This Redmi device will get MIUI update in the third and last phase, between 13 November-29 November. Redmi Note 8 Pro, Note